guys, gonna do some swimming this time. Back here at Pelican Harbor. So let's go some swimming, guys. Swimming time. Guys, gonna do some swimming this time. Swimming. Let's do some swimming motivation. Let's do it and let's do it. Swimming is really good for your the hair. Back to the swimming area. Okay, you see the people there, different kind of people. Do some swimming. Woo. We go and it's swimming. Let's do some swimming. Motivation. Swimming time.